Now we are going to discuss about problem number 26. Because in this question it was asked that on interchanging the resistance, balance point of a meter bridge shifts to left by 10 centimeter. Right? Resistance of their series combination is 1 kilo ohm. So how much was the resistance on left slot before interchanging the resistances? Now see just to this figure, right? In this first figure, it is the initial case when the balancing length was L. R1 and R2 are in series, so R1 plus R2 is equals to 1000 ohm, that is 1 kilo ohm. So I can write R1 and R2 in terms of 1000 minus R1 ohm, right? Now if you just interchange these two resistance, now I have took R2 in this side and R1 in this side. Now the balancing length, this particular shifts to left by 10 centimeter. So if initially it was L, now it will be L minus 10, and this will be 100 minus L plus 10, right? So in the first condition we know that R1 divided by 1000 minus R1 must be equal to L divided by 100 minus L, right? Or we can write it as R1 into 100 minus L is equals to L into 1000 minus R1. Okay. So this is the first condition. We have obtained it from the balanced condition equation. Now for the second case, similarly what we can write is R2 upon R1 must be, so this is the initial case, this is initial, and this will be final. Now R2 upon R1, that is 1000 minus R1 upon R1 is equals to L minus 10 upon 100 plus 10, that is 110 minus L, right? So this will be 110 minus L. So from here we will get 1000 minus R1 into 110 minus L is equals to L minus 10 into R1. So this is equation number 2. Now see, there are two equation and two unknown. One is L, one is R1. Now if we just try to solve these two equation from 1 and equation 2, so if you by solving equation 1 and equation 2, right, we'll get the value of L to be 55 centimeter, right? So this L will be 55 centimeter. Now we can put this value of L in any of the equation, right? So in any of the equation we'll get the value of, if we put the value of L in any equation, we'll get the value of R1, which is nothing but the resistance that was on the left before interchanging, right? So if I put L equals to 55, so in equation putting value of L in equation number 1, right? So it will be R1 100 minus 55 is 45 is equal to 55 into 1000 minus R1. Okay. So here we have got 45 R1 is equals to 55,000 minus 55 R1. So if you just add this, this will be 100 R1 is equals to 55,000. So this will be, this two will get cancelled. So the value of R1 will be 550 ohm. And if its value is 550 ohm, the correct option is option 1.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.